Ma'am, this is Cadet Park and Cadet Woods, and this is our screencast for deliverable 2A. The background slide. The reviews are written and posted directly by customers, which provides immediate feedback to the companies on not only the products, but also the goods, services, and customer service that they provide to all users of the company. Essentially, thousands of reviews are written by thousands of various customers, so a method is required in order to filter and sort that data to make it useful for the company. In order to do this, we used Microsoft Excel, VBA, and regular expressions.
So part of the sentiment analysis that we did for this was using the bag of words, we calculated the number of times a certain word appeared in any given review using a certain number of Excel functions like sum, product, count, if, etc. You'll see in this slide for Amazon, this is the output of the sentiment analysis, meaning we matched the words on the x-axis with the number of times that they appeared in a positive sentiment, positive or negative, given by the key below. You'll see that this does include all the meaningless words like the, is, this. Those words are expected to be in the front. So you'll see we did the same thing for a Yelp analysis in our last data set. And then this is just all of the analyses mashed on top of each other. You'll see that still the meaningless words are the most used.
This slide shows the trimmed sentiment analysis, which essentially takes the sentiment analysis from the last slide and trims out the meaningless words to provide more accurate and useful feedback for the company and the users. Essentially, words such as the, and, is, and etc. do not provide any useful information because there's no relevant correlation as to how many times that word shows up in the data set and whether the review is positive or negative. So you can see in the trim sentiment analysis chart to the right that the words on the x-axis are actually meaningful and correlate to whether the review is positive or negative. This is our works cited page. Ma'am, this concludes our brief.